My name's Karen McLaughlin, and I'm one of the volunteers for the Save the Indian River Lagoon Oversight Committee. And it's just my small part of trying to be involved with the restoration of the lagoon. I started to get in the water and paddle and boat here, and I fell in love with the lagoon here. It is about 5 miles north of the Sebastian Inlet, and there's an abundance of wildlife here. There's dolphins, there's manatees, there's river otters. Recently, there's a return of 2 pairs of bald eagles, which I have not seen in 6 years. I'm proud to live here. I feel fortunate to live here. I inadvertently turned my passion and love for the water in the lagoon into a business. I kayak and I'm on the water when I'm not working and taking people out. So what I'm trying to do besides being on the Oversight Committee is encourage locals and visitors as much as possible of all the information that is out there. We've got websites. You can go to the meetings once a month. You can watch them. They're on audio and video. The involvement of the community is what's really going to help the scientists that have been begging for us to listen to them for a long time. And we're there. People are engaged and they're listening and they're getting involved, and changes are happening. We see it already, and it's only been a year. We're all doing this because we love the lagoon and we want to see it prosper and get healthy again. It's a healthy community in spots. It's not healthy in other spots, and we are trying to fix that. We fix it in one spot, fix it in another spot, the whole lagoon will get healthy again. You know, the fertilizer ban that was implemented 2 years ago, huge. Getting people off of septic. It's not going to happen right away. This happened over a long period of time. It's going to take time to fix, and I'm really positive, and I know it's going to get fixed. I couldn't imagine the lagoon not being here and not being a part of my life. I think with a little bit of education, science, caution, and citizen involvement and love for the lagoon and what's in our backyard, we're going to have a positive and a healthy lagoon again.